Dear students, in this class 5, module 5 of compressible flows, class 5, module 5 of compressible flows, we shall discuss what is meant by Mach number and its importance. Okay, so Mach number, as I did discuss already in the introduction chapter, that is in class 1. What is Mach number? Mach number is the dimensionless term. It is non-dimensional. It is denoted by m. It is very important in the compressible flows. Mach number is given by square root of inertia force to the elastic force. It is the ratio under square root inertia force to the elastic force, where inertia force is given by rho a v square. Area can be written as L square. Therefore, rho L square v square will get it. Elastic force, the denominator elastic force is given by bulk modulus of elasticity into area. What is bulk modulus of elasticity? K. Area is A. That is area once again can be written as L square. That is KL square. Denominator is KL square. Therefore, m is equal to square root of rho A v square divided by KL square, which is given by, once again we'll get it, Mach number m is equal to v divided by square root of k by rho. What is square root of k by rho? Already we see in last derivation, which is given by c. Okay, therefore m is equal to v by c, or c is equal to square root of c, where what is c? C is given by sonic velocity. C is given by sonic velocity, which is given by square root of k by rho. Square root of k by rho can be denoted by c, which is given by sonic velocity. Therefore, Mach number can also be defined as it is the velocity of the flow to the velocity of the sound. Okay, c is velocity of the sound. M is equal to v by c. Mach number, there is a figure here at the bottom. What is the range of Mach number that decide? So on the basis of the Mach number, compressible flow can be divided as subsonic flow, sonic flow, supersonic flow. What do you mean by subsonic flow? What do you mean by subsonic flow? Subsonic flow is that in which Mach number is less than 1. When Mach number is less than 1, the type of the flow is said to be subsonic flow. Okay, that is indicated in the above figure. When Mach number is sonic flow, when the flow is sonic flow, what will be the Mach number? Which is equal to 1. Okay, when m is equal to 1, the flow is said to be sonic flow. Then what is supersonic flow? Third one, supersonic flow. When Mach number is greater than 1, the type of the flow is said to be supersonic flow. Okay, like that, if hypersonic flow, hyper velocity flow, it is given the value below 1, 5, 10, 20, like that. Those are nothing but Mach numbers. Mach numbers. Okay, it is denoted by m, non-dimensional. M is non-dimensional. So the definition of subsonic, sonic flow, supersonic flow can be further defined like this. So what do you mean by subsonic flow? Subsonic flow is defined as the flow at which Mach number is less than 1. It means that velocity of the flow is less than the velocity of sound. Second one, sonic flow. Sonic flow is defined as flow at which Mach number is equal to 1, that is m is equal to 1. It means the velocity of the flow is equal to the velocity of sound. Third one, supersonic flow. Supersonic flow is defined as the flow at which Mach number is greater than 1, that is m, capital M is greater than 1. It means the velocity of the flow is greater than the velocity of sound. So this completes this Mach number definitions. derivation of Mach number. And so in the examination, define Mach number, obtain an expression for the Mach number, and define what do you mean by subsonic flow, sonic flow, supersonic flow. So up to this it may be expected in the examination regarding Mach number. Okay.